Hi guys, welcome to TechTeam channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Facebook password. So let's go to Facebook first. Now click on three dash icon, which is top right corner. Scroll down and you'll find here settings. Go to settings. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find here password and security. Click on this. Then click on change password, this one. Now you can see here current password, your new password, and retype new password. You have to put your recent password, what you're using right now, and you have to give your new password and you have to retype the password. Then just click on save changes. Your password will be changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.